Citrix surprised the market today, and it wasn't a pleasant surprise. In fact, the stock plunged because, well, tech investors were caught off guard. Now, if you're not aware, Citrix is a hardware and a software company, and they really focus on the cloud. And as you know, anything cloud-based has done very well this year. Jim, let's talk about this. Is this Citrix specific, or is this something that's more broad-based?
I think it's government software specific. I mean, Citrix has a lot of government orders, but I also know that VMware has been taking its shots at Citrix, taking some share. Citrix has been unsteady. What a terrible day to pre-announce. That group would have been up the most. It trades with biotech of all things. And Citrix just pulled the rug out under from the cloud. Salesforce would normally be up, I'd say, 6-7% today. But people are attributing, well, perhaps all of cloud. Cloud's very different. You know, the cloud is like, that's like saying, well, because Intel's bad, then you've got to go against Micron. They're very different. Micron's a processor company, and Micron's a DRAM company. So I look at the Citrix and I say, be careful selling everything off of it. I think that's a mistake.
All right. Well, one of the analysts said when they did their channel checks was that June was very strong, but then sequentially you saw July go down, August very weak, September more weakness. And they're concerned that you know, with this government shutdown, that everybody's like, I'm not pulling the trigger right now.
You don't want to touch Citrix. I mean, look at Red Hat. I mean, Red Hat has a lot of government business, and that is not. They had a quarter that nobody liked. I like Jim Whitehurst very much, but you know, the cloud plays that have government business, not so hot here. Now, Mark Benioff's business at Salesforce is not government related, other than in Japan. And Japan's doing really well, although you have currency translation problems.
Now, if you have a big cloud play, would you take a little bit of profit here, or would you, if you hadn't already sold, stand pat?
I think these stocks have come down, and Citrix is casting a pole in the group unfairly. I like VMware on weakness here.
All right, so there you go, folks. Stay away from Citrix, but Jim likes VMware here on weakness.